Hello everyone, welcome to the session for everyone who they are learners or the teacher or every kind of person who want to learn the AI from the beginning. Right? My name is Mohit, I'm your AI teacher. I will be giving you the AI prompt engineering course. It's a very fast subject. It's helpful for you to interact with the AIs. Alright, today I'm excited to give you the quick answer and of the learning. A skill, actually a skill that are rapidly shaping for the future of AI interaction. Alright, whether you are a beginner or advanced AI enthusiast. Well, the mastering prompt engineering help you to communicate effectively with the AI models, right? Guiding you to generate the accurate amount answer from the AI relevant the impact response. Alright. So what do you think about what actually you think about drop in the chat box that what actually AI content generating is. Alright, so comment me on my YouTube channel so understand what we will more understand what actually AI content is. Well, according to my perception at its core, it's about a crafting, right? Crafting these structures that allow AI to understand what we send its intent and generating meaningful outputs, right? What you ask from AI, it's not the meaning that the AI will be answer you accordingly. The AI will answer you according to the structure of the question, right? If you ask, for example, if you ask any kind of AI that tell me about the space, right? Tell me about the space. So AI will just explain that what actually space is. It contain this, it will contain this, and it will become according to AI is a broad concept, right? The AI will not explain you what actually the space is. Rather than the AI will be explain what contain in it, right? Or AI can explain you according to its own abilities, right? But if you think that if you refine this question, you ask from AI that explain dark matter, right? So it's and yeah, if you also ask it's the role in the universe in these simple terms, then AI will you explain you in a better way that what actually dark matter is and what is the role of it in the universe in a simple way. Or if you want to more clarify like they explain in deeper manner, so then the AI will be explain you the topic in a very clear manner. So you are directing or in simple way, if you are directing AI to respond more precisely, you have to use the different kind of tactics which will be discussed in the course. Okay, so come in my course, subscribe my YouTube channel and drop any question if you want to ask. Well, there is a many kind of things we will be discussing in the class. Alright, so come and join with me the AI prompt engineering course with me, and we will be discussing any kind of things, and we will be live session there on the Tech Finder. The link is below. You will be get the more information about what actually it is, and Tech Finder is actually the place where you will be get more information about the what we can say the different kinds of course where you get the meaningful experience about the skills, all right, of the different kinds of course which is generated and taught by the millions of teachers. Okay, so prompt engineering is the bridge between human creativity and the AI intelligence, right? With the right approach, everyone can leverage AI, productivity, spark innovation, and solve complex problems. Well, I look forward to exploring this journey with you. Alright, I will look forward to exploring the journey with you. Let's start it. Okay, let's deeper dive into this place, the Tech Finder, where we will be discuss about the art of effective art of right of the prompt engineering and the prompts, what actually prompt is and the, what AI is, and unlock is AI's potential together. Alright, we will be discuss anything about AI if you have a question in your brain. Right. So let's deeper dive into the AI prompt engineering. Come on, guys, we will be okay. And no matter you are learner, you are teacher, you are the student about the 12-year rules, no matter, you will be you have to just pay the fee which is necessary for this course. Okay, so course will be about 1 month. The classes will be held about the 4 classes per week, and you will get the vast amount of knowledge about the AI prompt engineering as well as AI, as well as understand what the helping of this course in your career, because you know that the course is necessary. Different kinds of courses is necessary, but this course is much necessary for you to get the data analysis kind of jobs, the research kind of jobs, and many kind of jobs, the career options which you want to get in this recent years, or in the upcoming years like 2025, which is we know that 6 months is left for 2025, and if you want to 2026, 27, okay, or so on, because AI is the future of AI is the future of the world. So let's dive into deeper. Thank you very much. We will understand